What the?
You didn't use force?
What?
I'll upload the video.
Orlando, Florida, el 12 de abril de 2024. Police stopped a female driver after seeing her drink a small liquor bottle while driving erratically. Her vehicle also had an illegal tinted tag cover. When asked for her documents and to step out of the car, she refused and insisted on calling her husband.
Don't light up a cigarette. Put that out. Turn the car off.
Wow.
I'm stopping you because I saw you just drink that liquor bottle, the shot. Yep, I saw you put it in your mouth and tilt your head back.
Okay.
Where'd you put the shot at?
Do you have warrant?
I'm stopping you because you had an unlawful tag cover.
What
tinted.
tag cover?
The tag cover over your plate that's tinted.
No.
Obstructs the visibility of your plate.
Tinted.
Plus, you can't be in possession of an open container while operating the vehicle.
No open container.
I saw you drink it.
I have.
It was a small shot-sized bottle. You put it in your mouth, tilt your head back. I saw the liquid go into your mouth, like a orangish or a yellowish liquor.
Okay.
And I can smell the alcohol.
This is what you're gonna do.
I don't think you're gonna tell me what to do. I need your driver's license, registration, and insurance.
The situation escalated when she allegedly slapped the officer's wrist, leading to her being pulled out of the car and restrained. The small liquor bottle was found on the ground beside her. She agreed to the eye test but refused the remaining field sobriety tests, claiming anxiety.
My husband now, before I get out of the car.
No, I need you to grab your registration and insurance.
Sir. No, sir. No, sir. I'm calling my husband.
Step out.
I'm calling my husband.
Step out.
No, you have my license.
Now you're under arrest for battery.
You're touching me. What the fuck? What the
Put it on your back.
What the
Hands behind your
Get
back.
your foot off my back. You had to put your foot on my back?
After you slap me, yeah.
I didn't slap you.
It's on camera. You're under arrest for battery on a law enforcement officer resisting. Step up.
How do I step?
And by the way, this is the liquor bottle that I saw you drink.
Good.
Put your butt up.
Go, let me go.
No.
You ain't gotta do me like this.
Step up. I'm trying to get you
I
off the
can't
ground.
step up.
Put your legs in front
I
of you.
can't step up. You don't know my...
Put your legs in front of you. Step up.
Listen.
Walk over to the car.
No.
Stop.
What the f did I do wrong?
Resisted me.
Get my... No.
Because that's an open container.
No.
While you're
What did I do?
operating your vehicle
Listen.
with a...
I'm on the way home.
I don't care.
Listen.
Okay.
That was nothing.
Well, it's a 115 for battery
Move.
and resisting.
Get me my I need to call my husband.
You ain't calling nobody.
Get my wallet off the floor.
Not right now. So,
Looks, you were one of the ones. I have a lawyer,
Good.
Jason Hicks.
Okay.
Call him.
I don't need to.
Get off of me. Man, this is bullshit.
You're under arrest for battery on a law enforcement officer resisting.
Because I touch you, you touch me.
Because you slapped me, yes.
I didn't slap
On
you.
camera. Right now, you need to calm down and relax.
Get off my arm. You choking me?
No, I'm pushing you against the car.
You don't have to hold your hand on me. I have costochondritis.
Considering you're resisting,
Costochondritis. No, I want you off of me.
I don't care. You're not
You
going
don't
anywhere.
care?
Stay right there.
You ain't got to pull me like that.
I don't want
ain't
you
got-
going anywhere, and you keep trying to pull your body off the car.
Listen, I want you off of me.
I don't care what you want. I'm telling you what to do.
All
Stop trying
right?
to pull your arm.
It was one shot.
It might have been. And if that was it,
That's it.
if you would have cooperated and done what I
Yeah, but
told
you
you
ain't
to
got
do,
to do that. You ain't got to do this. Listen.
Not right now.
No, I can't see. Now you're
not.
violating my civil rights.
No, I'm not.
I can't see.
Stop.
Those are my eyeglasses.
Okay, well, I'm not going to lean over in front of you.
Those
After
are
you've
my
already battered me.
eyeglasses. You're stopping me from seeing, sir. I want my eyeglasses.
Face the view.
I want. Now do this.
Yeah, just gonna have to do use force, ripped her out of the car. She slapped my wrist after I told her to get out. She started resisting. About swerved into me, saw her drink this. So, yeah, I'm fine. Like I said, you're under arrest. I'm gonna tell you your constitutional rights.
Can I have my eyeglasses? My wallet is on the.
I need you to listen to what I say.
What did I do?
If I tell you not,
yes.
if I tell you not to go somewhere to do something, I need you to listen, okay? I have a concern you're impaired, okay? Anytime I have a concern based upon slurred speech, glassy bloodshot eyes, odor, you about swerved into me, saw you drinking, things like that, I gotta, and especially after you're under arrest, I gotta let you know your constitutional rights, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, listen to me, let me explain these.
What was the reason that you pulled me?
I already told you, you about swerved into me.
I swerved into you about.
Saw you drink the liquor bottle.
Yep.
And you have a tag that's unlawful. You can't have anything over the plate.
It's legal.
Violates 316.
It's legal.
605.
It's
and
legal.
320.061.
It's legal. It's legal. What do you want? What do you want me to do?
Field sobriety test. Are you want?
What do you want me to do?
I want to check your eyes and do some physical tests.
Okay, check my eyes.
Are you willing to do that?
Come on.
All right.
Come on.
Are you gonna batter me again if I take the cuffs off?
I didn't batter you. You touched me,
my right
sir.
arm right here.
You touched me, sir.
Correct, because you were resisting not getting out of the car.
Really, sir?
Turn around, I'm gonna take the cuffs off for you. Alright, if you're willing to do them, I'm gonna check your eyes real quick, okay? Can you take the glasses from on top of your head, please? Alright, face me. So I'm gonna check your eyes. See the finger? Here's what I'm gonna have you do. I'm gonna have you follow and track the finger. Finger is gonna go back and forth in front of your vision. All I want you to do is
just follow
the finger and not move your head.
Time. Come on.
Understand?
Come on.
Alright, follow and track the tip of the finger. Don't move your head.
Good.
All the way up the corner. No, we're a little past that. How old are you?
50.
Okay. But no,
can I just go home?
Not right this second, okay? Can you just step right here for me?
Yes, sir.
I want you to listen to the instructions, watch a demonstration, and then perform as instructed, okay? While you listen, I want you to have a stand in a particular stance. So what I want you to do is put your left foot on the line, right foot in front, heel touching toe.
Left.
On the line, right foot in front, heel touching toe.
Okay, I can't do this on a normal basis.
I'll try it. Don't walk yet, I just want you to assume the stance.
Try back on Sunday.
Alright. So if you're going to try it, when I tell you to, not before, take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line, okay? When you hit number 9, leave the leader front foot planted.
And I can go home?
I can't make any promises, and obviously you're already under arrest, okay? So like I said, when you hit number 9, leave the leader front foot planted. Not yet. Not yet.
I can't do it. Don't hurt me.
Okay, you don't want to try it?
No, I have anxiety.
Okay.
I have anxiety. Look at my license.
I'm going to put you back in cuffs. Can you turn around for me?
No, y'all please call my husband.
Put your hands on your back for me. If you cooperate, I'll let you make some phone calls.
Okay, wait a minute. I'll cooperate.
Well, then stop tensing
No,
your
I'll
arm.
cooperate. Don't touch me like that.
We're talking cooperation. Just relax.
All right, so I'm going to charge you with DUI based upon you not being willing to complete the field sobriety test, okay?
No, because you didn't let me.
I've been asking you to. I'm going to ask you to.
I looked into the sun.
I'm going to ask you to take a breath test. Will you take that test?
My lawyer said not to do it.
Okay, if you don't take the test, it's going to result in suspension of your license for a period of 1 year.
I just got my license
This is your
back.
first refusal, or a period of 18 months. If you have a prior suspension on your record, for refusing a breath,
know what? Just
blood,
take me
or
to
urine
jail.
sample in the past.
Come on, just take
If
me
you
to
refuse
jail.
a sample,
Just
and you
take
do
me
have
to
a
jail.
prior suspension on your record for refusing a prior test in the past,
Listen,
becomes a
I need to
misdemeanor.
call my lawyer first.
You don't have the privilege to
I'm
one for a
not
breath
talking
test,
to
okay?
anyone. I want to call my
If you
lawyer.
refuse, you have a prior
I'm
suspension
calling
on your
my
record
lawyer
for refusing a prior
because
test in
he
the
went.
past,
He's
becomes
in
a
court
misdemeanor
today.
of
I
first
want
degree.
to call my lawyer.
If you don't take the test,
I want to call my
it can be used
lawyer.
against you in court, okay? If you've ever been fined for a boating under the influence statute for refusing a BUI test.
No. I know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the?
When asked to take a breath test, she refused again, saying her lawyer advised against it. She was charged with DUI, second offense, battery on a law enforcement officer, and refusal to submit to a test. Her total bond was set at $21,000, and she later received 2 years of state probation.